Improve Snapchat camera quality Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you search for Snapchat and look out for the updates available for the application on this device. As you can see on the screen, there's no option of update besides Snapchat, so it means we have the latest version of the application. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and make a long press on Snapchat application and tap on app info. As you do that, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen or manage space like this. So tap on it and then you can see the option of clear cache, or you can either delete app data if it's possible. If not, you can just delete the cache or clear the cache from your device. Then you can simply tap on app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. Then what you can simply do is go back and make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device, and this might fix your issue as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.